Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we have something truly special for you, a vehicle that combines the legendary safety and luxury of Volvo with the freedom of the open road. This is the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a machine designed not just to get you from point A to point B, but to let you live, travel, and explore without compromise. This is not just a car review, it's an experience review. Because what Volvo has done here is craft a motorhome that feels less like a recreational vehicle and more like a luxury home on wheels, engineered with Scandinavian precision. The first thing that catches your eye is the exterior. At first glance, it's unmistakably Volvo with the clean lines, the bold yet elegant grille, and the signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights that have been slightly reimagined for 2026 with a sleeker, more aerodynamic shape. The designers clearly wanted this to feel like part of the Volvo family, but they also gave it the sheer presence you expect from a motorhome. The proportions are massive yet balanced, with sculpted side panels that cut down on wind resistance, and subtle chrome accents that add just the right amount of sophistication. The paint options range from Volvo's classic muted metallic tones to bold two-tone finishes that make this motorhome stand out at the campsite or on the highway. The wheel design has been upgraded as well, with large turbine-style alloys that give a modern look while also supporting the heavy load of the vehicle. What really impressed me are the integrated side cameras that replace traditional mirrors, projecting a crystal-clear image onto the screens inside for safer lane changes and parking. There's also a panoramic windshield that curves slightly at the edges, giving the driver an incredible field of vision, which is crucial when maneuvering a vehicle of this size. Overall, the exterior is a perfect blend of elegance, functionality, and road presence. Step inside, and the interior is where the Volvo Motorhome 2026 really starts to redefine what a motorhome can be. When you open the door, you're greeted by an interior that feels like stepping into a high-end Scandinavian apartment. Natural wood finishes, soft touch leather, and minimalist design create an atmosphere that's both modern and inviting. Volvo has mastered the art of clean design, and here they've combined it with clever practicality. The living area is spacious, with modular seating that can be rearranged to suit different needs, lounging, dining, or working. A retractable smart table rises from the floor with just a button, and there are hidden storage compartments everywhere, designed so seamlessly that you barely notice them. The kitchen area is equally impressive, equipped with state-of-the-art induction hobs, a smart refrigerator that can track your groceries, and even a built-in coffee station, because Volvo knows their customers appreciate the finer details. The sleeping quarters feel more like a boutique hotel suite than a motorhome. You get a full-size bed with memory foam and temperature-regulating fabric, and there's ambient lighting tucked behind panels that adjusts automatically depending on the time of day. Even the bathroom feels upscale, with a rainfall shower, porcelain finishes, and a clever water recycling system that reduces waste without sacrificing comfort. One of the standout features is the integration of technology throughout the interior. A central smart hub lets you control everything from lighting to climate, blinds, and entertainment with either voice commands or the sleek touch panel mounted near the driver's seat. The cabin for the driver and passenger seats is just as luxurious. You get Volvo's signature ergonomic seats with massage and ventilation functions, a massive curved display that combines navigation, vehicle information, and entertainment, and of course Volvo's legendary safety tech baked right in. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is not just a pretty face. Underneath, it's powered by a hybrid drivetrain that combines a strong diesel engine with advanced electric motors. This means you get the torque and range necessary for long road trips, but with significantly lower emissions and the ability to run silently in all-electric mode for shorter journeys or when parked at a campsite. The transition between power sources is seamless, and the vehicle feels remarkably smooth despite its size. Volvo has worked on the suspension to ensure comfort on long hauls, and you immediately notice how well it absorbs bumps and rough terrain. Handling, of course, is not like a sedan, but for a motorhome this big, it's surprisingly easy to steer, thanks to rear axle steering and intelligent stability systems. Safety remains a top priority, and the Volvo Motorhome comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, collision avoidance, blind spot detection, and even a unique fatigue monitoring system designed for long-distance travelers. Towing capacity is also excellent, so if you want to bring along a boat or trailer, you're well covered. Now let's talk about pricing, because with something this advanced, you might be wondering how much it will set you back. The starting price is expected to be around $180,000, which positions it above many traditional motorhomes but still competitive considering the level of technology and luxury packed inside. Higher trims with additional customizations, premium interiors, and extended-range battery options could push the price closer to $220,000 or even $240,000. While it's definitely an investment, this vehicle is aimed at those who want to combine the best aspects of travel freedom with premium Volvo comfort and safety, and for that audience, it delivers immense value.